Are you preparing for NISM exams certifications? First, go to www.nismexams.in and click on the free demo button visible on the homepage. You will now see a list of all available exam series. Select the exam you want to prepare for example, series VA 8, 15, etc. If you are a new user, click on New Registration. If you are already registered, just enter your email and password and click Submit. Are you a new user? Then enter your email, name, password, and other required details. Click on Submit. Once submitted, you will be redirected to the free demo page of your selected exam within 3 seconds. Now click again on the free demo button for your selected exam. Your mock test will begin. To purchase the premium version, click on Buy Premium, select your module, go to the Select option, choose the number of days, click on Add to Cart, and then click on Buy Now. Your module will now be purchased. On your screen, the product will be visible, which includes mock test, short notes, and video lectures. So, start preparing with mock tests and achieve your success. Thank you.